9 tips to recognize the signs of a broken steering rack and how to fix it. Your car's steering rack might not be something you think about every day, but when it starts to fail, you'll notice, and not in a good way. The steering rack is central to your vehicle's ability to respond accurately and safely when you turn the wheel. A worn, leaking, or broken rack can lead to vague steering, uneven tire wear, or even dangerous driving conditions. In today's video, we're going to break down 9 tips to recognize the signs of a broken steering rack, and how to fix it. These insights come straight from the garage, based on the real-world experience of seasoned mechanics and automotive experts. Let's dive in and make sure you're not driving with a disaster waiting to happen. Tip number 1. Look for loose or unresponsive steering. One of the first signs of a failing steering rack is loose or unresponsive steering. If your steering wheel feels sloppy or vague, where you turn the wheel but the car doesn't immediately respond, it could indicate internal wear in the rack's gear teeth or bushings. Over time, the teeth on the rack or pinion can wear down, creating play between the gears. You'll feel this as excess movement in the wheel or a delayed steering response. Mechanics advice: if your car wanders slightly in the lane or takes more input to correct direction, inspect the steering rack before replacing tie rods or suspension components. Tip number 2. Listen for clunking or knocking sounds. Another telltale sign is a clunking or knocking noise, especially when turning the wheel or driving over bumps. These sounds often come from worn internal bushings or loose mounting points inside the steering rack. You may also hear noise if the inner tie rods are worn. They're connected to the rack and can produce similar symptoms. Pro tip: have someone turn the steering wheel back and forth while you listen near the rack under the car. If you hear a metallic knock or feel excessive play in the housing, the rack is likely worn. Tip number 3. Feel for a tight or stiff steering wheel. If the wheel becomes difficult to turn, especially at low speeds, your steering rack could be failing. In hydraulic systems, a lack of pressure due to fluid leaks or a failing power steering pump can make the rack stiff. But even in electric systems, a faulty electric power assist motor or damaged rack gear can cause the wheel to resist turning. Important distinction: if the stiffness only happens in cold weather, it could be fluid viscosity or a weak pump. But if it's consistent, the rack itself may be to blame. Tip number 4. Check for power steering fluid leaks. For vehicles with hydraulic power steering, leaks are one of the biggest indicators of a steering rack issue. The rack is sealed with multiple O-rings and bushings. Over time, these seals degrade and allow fluid to escape. Look for wet spots under the vehicle near the firewall or cross member, fluid dripping from the steering boots, a constantly low power steering reservoir. Mechanics tip: steering fluid leaks from the rack boots, accordion-like rubber covers, are a clear sign the inner seals are shot. The only real fix: rebuild or replace the rack. Tip number 5. Watch for uneven tire wear. A damaged steering rack can cause misalignment, leading to uneven tire wear, especially on the inner or outer edges. If the rack isn't maintaining proper wheel positioning due to internal looseness or worn tie rod connections, the tires may be constantly misaligned. Expert tip: if you've had multiple alignments and tires keep wearing unevenly, suspect deeper issues with the rack's precision. Tip number 6. Notice steering wheel not returning to center. After making a turn, your steering wheel should automatically return to center as you straighten the car. If it doesn't, or it lags or sticks, that's a red flag. A binding or damaged rack could be preventing the wheel from recoiling properly. This could also point to internal resistance caused by wear, corrosion, or debris inside the rack housing. Mechanics insight: don't confuse this with suspension issues. If your ball joints and struts are good, but the steering wheel still sticks, look closely at the rack. Tip number 7. Feel for vibration in the steering wheel. While steering wheel vibration is often linked to wheel balance or brake rotor issues, it can also signal steering rack problems, particularly if the rack bushings or mounts are loose. When the rack is no longer secured tightly to the chassis, it can vibrate under load, especially at highway speeds or during cornering. Test it. Try driving on a smooth road at steady speed. If you feel constant steering vibration without wheel or tire issues, inspect the steering rack mounts and bushings. Tip number 8. Pay attention to warning lights, EPS, or power steering. Modern cars with electronic power steering, EPS, will often trigger a dashboard warning light if the system detects a fault. Look for EPS light, power steering warning, steering assist, malfunction message. These lights may indicate problems in the electric motor, sensors, or internal rack mechanism. You'll often feel loss of power assist or erratic steering when these lights appear. Pro tip: use an OBD2 scanner capable of reading EPS codes. Regular code readers may not detect rack-specific issues. Tip number 9. Check the steering angle sensor or rack calibration. In vehicles with stability control or lane keep assist, the steering rack must communicate accurately with sensors and modules. If your vehicle suddenly pulls to one side, struggles to stay centered, or gives off traction control warnings, it could be due to a steering angle sensor out of sync or a rack that needs recalibration. If you've recently replaced the rack, it's essential to recalibrate using a scan tool. Failure to do so can cause weird behavior, even if the parts are new. Mechanic's reminder: not all repairs end at the wrench. Some modern steering systems must be reprogrammed or recalibrated to work correctly. How to maintain your steering rack. Now that we've covered how to recognize a bad steering rack, let's talk about preventative care. Proper maintenance can significantly extend the life of your rack and help you avoid costly repairs. Maintenance tip number 1. Check power steering fluid monthly. Make it a habit to inspect your fluid level and quality. Low fluid is a sign of leaks. Dirty, dark fluid indicates contamination. Flush the system every 50,000 to 75,000 miles or sooner if fluid becomes dirty. Maintenance tip number 2. Keep steering boots intact. The accordion-like boots on each end of the rack protect the inner tie rods and seals. If they're torn, debris and water can enter, leading to premature wear. Inspect them regularly and replace if damaged. Maintenance tip number 3. Avoid holding the wheel at full lock. When parking or maneuvering, avoid holding the steering wheel at full lock for more than a few seconds. This puts high pressure on the rack seals and pump, leading to faster wear. Maintenance tip number 4. Align your vehicle after suspension work. Anytime you replace suspension components, get a wheel alignment. Misalignment puts extra strain on the steering rack and tie rods. Conclusion. Final thoughts. The steering rack is one of the most critical and often overlooked parts of your vehicle. When it starts to go bad, the signs are there. You just need to know what to look for. Here's a quick recap of the 9 signs your steering rack might be failing. Loose or delayed steering response, clunking or knocking noises, tight or stiff steering wheel, power steering fluid leaks, uneven tire wear, steering wheel not returning to center, vibration in the wheel, warning lights like EPS or power steering, malfunctioning steering angle sensor or calibration. And don't forget, maintenance matters. Keep your system clean, inspect it regularly, and drive with care. If this guide helped you, give it a like. Subscribe for more expert-level car care, and drop a comment if you've ever had to deal with steering rack issues.